Hello everyone, my name is Atu Binti Encho as a main speaker of the Trade Revolution Conference happening live at the La Palm Royal Beach Hotel and being sponsored by Weltrade. I'm excited to be sharing with you practical trading tips, strategies and insights on how to succeed in this fast changing global market. I'm also excited to be engaging with industry leaders and traders on how we can all evolve and thrive in an ever-ending financial landscape. Thank you.
I don't want to waste my time. Today, we want to close very early. We want to be fast about things. And at the end of the program, we have giveaways. Today, somebody will be going home with a laptop. Oh, please give it up for Weltrade. You know how much a laptop is? Give it up for Weltrade. You can do it better. You can do it better. See, you don't want a laptop, I can tell you to go with a laptop. Or give it to me. So, hey, somebody said don't trust. So, when I'm at you, I'm sure you already know me. There's no stranger. He has been here before. He has been with you all this while. In fact, because of the way I introduced Papa Smith, I think my introduction is not good enough. When the people come in, you get to know them by the way they speak. You know that no, this guy, he knows what to say. When they said, has anybody blown $10,000 account? And you raised his hand, I was like, hey, I blew $500 account. I thought about it for a month. It wasn't easy. You know, because of that, I don't want to change. Now I want to be doing this. This is the work I want to do. So that I can collect sports from Linda and Papa Smith and those people. Yeah. Because whenever I blow account,
Everything is good, right?
there's trouble. You know. So when I do, the founder of Big Brain Capital. Hey, you see, I'm breaking things though, you see. The founder of Big Brain Capital. Atu, please let's give it up for Atu Benzo.
Wow. Good evening, guys. I can see very familiar faces. Thank you all guys for coming. Yes, and also we want to apologize for starting the program late. Yes, I won't waste much of your time. I'm a more practical person. I really don't believe in too much theories. I have to do a presentation, show, but then when I'm explaining, I'm going to do it more practical. I always tell my community when I'm teaching, I like to teach based on my own experience and the experience of the community. We learn from each other, we expand. I learned so much from the community. I've come this far because of the community. I always say there are a lot of brilliant, I've met a lot of brilliant people, things I didn't know myself. Like, forgive me, but I'm an average student, but then I am knowledgeable because of the people that I've been able to surround myself with. Yes. So the winning the long game, that is the title of what I want to share. Again, my name is Atu Binti Encho. I have been trading the financial markets for several years. I'll say 8 years, if I'm not lying. 8 years, started way back in right after SHS level 100, entered University of Ghana. As at that time, I was in TF hall. I was the only one that was trading on the hall at that time. But then, by the time I got to 200, the whole floor, they were all traders. That is it. Yes. When I remember occasions where you are raising $100 to $500. I mean, people get excited. They want to know what you are doing. And I have a few of those boys I was with still here with me. Yeah. So, based on the experience, based on my success and my setbacks, you heard when he was asking blown accounts. Yes, I raised my hand. Based on my setbacks and then my success, I just want to inspire and empower the newbies who are here. One, those are also looking to level up, the intermediate, and most of us too who are already experienced traders. Yes, I just want to today empower you a bit. Let's just get into it. The laptop is the final thing. I'm also looking to see who will win the laptop. I'm very positive the person will be a Bitcoin Capital member because we don't joke. We don't joke. So I'm glad it's at the last so that you guys will pay attention. Just give me 20 minutes of your time, I'll be done. Yes, like I said, it's practical. And anybody who answers my question too, I'm sure I can do some giveaways, personal giveaways, right? I'm sure I can do my own personal giveaway. So please pay attention. Trading. Whenever I'm talking about trading, whenever I'm talking about trading, I always stick to three things. I don't talk about trading without them. My three pillars of trading. We all know it being psychology, money management, and a technical edge. Many of us, including myself when I entered the game, we're all looking for that strategy, that golden strategy. This strategy there, if I am using it, I must win. I'm sure we all feel that way about our strategies. We're chasing strategies and stuff like that. But I came to realize that even if you have the smallest technical know-how on how to read the market, and you have a very good sound mind, and you're managing your money well, I'm telling you, there's no limit to how much you can withdraw. If that's the game, trading is true that way. Yes, I also like to also compare trading with gambling a bit. I have a gambling mind. Trading is not gambling. Yes, sometimes they say what, think you are not a thief, but you can think like a thief just to be able to do certain things, right? Yes, so trading is not gambling. But sometimes if you watch it from that end, a lot of people, our parents, it's those of us who have parents telling us to stop trading and stuff like that because they thought it was gambling, right? But then when you have a data-driven information and you are using it, it doesn't become gambling again. If you understand the fact that money management is what you need, it doesn't become gambling. When you understand the fact that you need a sound mind, and I have been patient, I've seen how much I've made, I have been aggressive, I've seen how much I've lost, I've been calm, I've seen how much I've made, and it's like that. So if you're a newbie, today I'm not talking about technical analysis, or when you meet me today anywhere, I don't start with technical analysis. I tell you, I start with the mindset. If you understand the game. And then because of this, I can say God has been grateful. A lot of community members have made it. If I tell you the amount of cash somebody can dash me because they made money, I mean, I can make a living only on that one. Yes. You teach well. Sometimes I can say, hate me, but the information I'm giving you is true. Don't hate the message. And the message pays a lot. People send money just because they heard Bitcoin said this and they went to practice it and they made money. And it's beautiful. It encourages me to do more and go more. Also, always trying to reconnect with experienced minds. Also, always trying to show you guys where the money is, which guys to listen to, like that. You need to learn from experience. Yes. So, money management, psychology, and then a technical edge. That's all I want to summarize. I have a whole presentation. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to go through. We'll do some quick tricks. Let me just call it quick tricks, and we're out of here. I want to see who will win the laptop. All right. Yeah, so let's go. Let's see what I have. All right, so I had a presentation started with money management. Like I said, I'm just going to read it. Then we'll be doing some practicalities. Yeah, so I have here, money management in trading involves strategically controlling and allocating your capital to minimize losses and maximize long-term wins. There's one thing that is inevitable when it comes to trading. You will lose at a point. You are going to lose. That's the first thing you should know. You don't know when the wins will come, but you know specifically that you will lose at a point. And when we lose, we have a lot of things going through our mind. I heard Lyndon saying when he lost about 10,000, it took him over a month thinking about it. I remember back in Alexander Kwapon Hall, 4011. That's the first time I lost, blew my account. I grew an account from $1,000 to $8,000 only to waste it all one day. That day I slept on the floor and woke up. I didn't talk. NZD, USD NZD, it was a news, 1045. I was investing in that kind of spike that time. I went for a buy, later I changed to a sell. Before I know, then $8,000, all gone. Now $8,000 is a bit heavy. That day I slept on the floor, like the room floor. Just woke up. I realized I woke up in the morning, just kept quiet the whole day. I'm just thinking about my life, what I'm going to do. Yeah, I mean, it was unbelievable. Yes, it's like that. Now, I have 3 money management that I use. Every account and how I use it. There are days I want to go greedy. I know how to do my money management. Every how aggressive I even play the game now, I still have money management back in it. It's something I can't do without. So I have. Can you go to the next page for me? This is the importance will come again. So my first money management technique I use is the Marcelino money management. Is a betting money management. It's mathematics. It's built on compound effect. So with this money management, I can tell you that I can raise $100 to $10,000 doing what this money management tells me, allocating my money and diversifying it specifically. When you have a good edge, yes, we'll go to the edge. I used to tell my community members that even if you are using an engulfing candle, anytime you see an engulfing candle, maybe buy or sell, you follow it, you are going to make some wins. You are going to lose some, but you're going to make some. Even that alone, market repeats itself. That's the advantage we have in the business. Unlike your normal gambling, soccer bet, is a bit random, right? But then with these ones, you can repeat it over and over and over again. Now with the Marcelino money management, it's based on a risk-reward policy, right? So it takes the entire capital, and then you have to know the kind of edge you're using. When you watch your edge, oh, this is my edge, I can lose 10 times on a row. I can lose, wait. First of all, who thinks they can never lose 10 times on a row in trading? Who has an edge here that can never lose? Anybody? So you believe you can lose 10 times on a row? It's too much though. 10 times on a row, they are adding. But it's possible. Strategies break. Yes, it's possible. Strategies break. Now with this, I can watch the strategy I'm using, right? And know, okay, with this strategy, I cannot lose more than 12 times. I cannot lose more than 15 times. And I build the money management on it. I would like, hello, can I have the Marcelino app? I tell the application the amount I am having, how much I want to, how I want to diversify the investment, how many I want to win, the rest is loss. So I can say, with this strategy, I'm investing $1,000. I want to split this $1,000 into 21 investments, 23 investments, and I only want to win 2. So in every session of 23, I only need to win 2. And then even if I've lost, if I can lose first trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade, the moment I win the 6th trade, I get all my money back with the interest I'm promised. It's mathematics. As long as you obey what the money management is telling you, you understand? Yeah. So, is it coming? All right. So. All right, so this is how it looks like. Can we make it big? I just want to see works on it. There are other money management techniques like using percentages. I have $100. I want to be risking 2% of the account, 5% of the account every time. When I am losing, I'm still risking 5%. The money is going down. You are risking 5%, waiting for that win. It's all about risk reward. You knowing how your edge is, how far you want to go. Yeah. So it's okay. Let's just. I think you can't expand it, right? Yeah, so that is how I want to do a money management that says $1,000. The first session is where I put my entire capital. I have $1,000 in my account. I want to split this $1,000 in 23 wins. And in that 23 wins, I just want to win 2. And then my R, you have to put your risk reward. So I do, when it comes to my premium channel, I give them 4. I always tell you when I give you entry 4R, I know 4R is attainable. I do 5R. So whenever I hit my TP, I know my people have already won. So 5R. That means any amount I'm risking, I want to get times 5 back. This is very practical. I want to get times 5 back. So I ran it, and whenever, let's say, assuming I lost, I tell the money management I lose, it gives me a different figure to invest. It's one, you have to place your trade one after the other for it works. You don't invest everything because maybe it has given you, how much is the first trade you have to place? How much? 14.5. So out of my $1,000, because I have split it 23 times and I've told the machine that I just want to win 2, it says the first time I should use what? 14.4 of my amount. Yes, so in case I lose, I tell it will give me another figure in case I lose like that. The moment I win, it gives me another figure till I win the 2 out of the 23 sessions. Then I'm done with that session. I re-put the money back inside again. Yeah, so if win 2 for me, and let me see how much I'll be making. It's the power of compounding. It's the power of compounding. I can do a money management that says 6 win 1, 5R. That is much. The whole trick is the more you stretch your diversification, the lesser the risk, so you get small. But then if you make it small, like example, if I say I put a bucket here, I give you a ball, stand here, throw the ball inside. I'm telling you that you have 5 chances, right? If you make one, I'll give you $1,000. Then again, I give you another option. The bucket is here. I'm giving you 10 chances. I can't give you the $1,000 because I know you have more chances to win. I'll say 500. You understand? That is how it works. There is a percentage there. I would like us to run it on a spreadsheet so that you know how much we can make over a period of time. Let's say every day you are doing a session of 2 trades. You don't have to rush. Let's say you don't win today, tomorrow is there. It's a whole dynamics. You understand? Yes. So on a spreadsheet, I'm just going to put the amount and the percentage Marcelino Money Management has given me. Then we run it. So per every session, I have 23 opportunities to just make 2 wins. I can lose the rest and I'll never blow my account. So if you know you have a powerful strategy like that, this money management is a compound effect. You can move $100 right up to 10K, 2K. And it's like that. I used to use this to play IQ tournaments, IQ option tournaments here. And because of this, I'm telling you, I've been top in Ghana before when it comes to competition. First on the leaderboard. First like that. Yeah. So your first instance, you are making $90 on your money. The very first session, 23 You have 23 chances to move to the next session, another 23 to move, another 23 to move. So it goes, you are compounding $90. Can you go up small? Sorry, go up. No, yeah. So 90. My next set, my money is moving to 188. $1,188. Then I go and put it back in the money management, run it again, 23, win 2. If I finish the session, I'm looking at 1,295. I go and put it back again. So per session, you keep going, and the $1,000, you can see it's compounding as it's going. You are compounding the money. This is a very first money management technique I use when it comes to boosting my capital. Other ones too I also teach and advise is the percentages. Like I said, you don't, as you don't have this, it doesn't mean you can't compound your money. Yeah, I'm having $1,000. I want to just risk 5% of that $1,000. I put it in. Should I lose to about, I drop to about 900, 800. I'm putting 5% like that. It is decreasing. As 5% of 800 is not the same as 5% of $1,000. Yes, when I'm going up to still the 5% using my risk reward like that. Also, there's a diversification one of a fixed lot size where I have $1,000. I've decided I'm putting $50 per every trade. Everything should be risk reward when it comes to money management. And you need to be also practical when you are doing money management, because first of all, you need to make sure that your trades are completed one at a time. You don't have any business with fear when you have proper risk management. I have $1,000, I've placed $20. Why should I be so scared to make the trade run? Why should I be so scared to make the trade run? If I'm not risking that much, why should I be scared? If you're having $1,000 and you have risked $500 of it, then you'll be scared when there is a small 10. But when you know what you are doing, one after the other like that, you don't have any reason to fear. You let your trades run. I keep telling people, you are here to make money. So why do you scare? When you see a small retracement, market movement is not straight, boom. If it's going down, it doesn't go down straight away. It goes, it fluctuates, comes up a bit. Plays with your mind. So if you are watching it like TV and you have over-risked, I'm telling you, you will not have peace. You will not have peace. Yes. So we can. I just want to quickly. We'll talk about this more backdoors, but then let's move on. Let's move on. I can never give a message without talking about my 3 steps, my psychology, money management, edge. Right now, when it comes to edge, that's what most of us started with. Everybody's looking for the perfect strategy. So I know most of the experienced guys here have their own strategy. Yes, the most common strategies edge you can use is the moving average. EMA 50, EMA 20. When the 20 crosses, you are selling. When the 20 crosses below, you are selling. When the 20 crosses above, you can just focus on that alone and still make money. Market will repeat that thing for you over and over and over and over again. Repetition is constant. Use it, it's an information. Loss is constant. Use it, it's an information. Sometimes you don't know when our wins will come. One problem I used to have, overconfidence, a lot. Like when it comes to fear, forget. If I'm blowing 10K, 8K, I don't fear and put there, forget. But then sometimes I could focus on my strategy so much, I feel it, I'm invincible. This strategy must win. Because of that, revenge trading sets in. Things that will blow your account. But then when you are calm, when you are having a calm mind, and then it's even on psychology. So it's actually a psychology topic I'm trying to talk about here. When you have a sound mind, you understand the whole principles. You treat it as a business. I need to refer Papa on this. One time, Papa was on live, and then he said something that we kept speaking about it. He says, why is it that in our normal businesses, buying and selling, though I used to do iPhone buying and selling too. at Circle. So I would go to Circle, go and buy a phone, go and sell to my clients. I might get like 500 CDs on that, maybe iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'll be happy. My age, my minus profits, right? It's good. I come that money, I treat it good, especially I'm using to buy stuff. But when it comes to trading, why is that when you move a let's say $100 to 120, it is not enough for you? You want more. Treat your trading account as if it is business, the same business they are doing. Trading gives freedom. I can be in my room, be producing $20 per whatever on a $100 every week. Whether I'm losing or I'm making a bit on it. That is how the game works. Stay calm. Add compounding to whatever you are doing. This man that bought the Lambo once, I was watching one of this recent guy that has come out. He said something that I really liked about. He says he could have bought the whole thing like 10 years back. But money has a tricky way of he says there's no level to how your strength will help you when you are working. But money, when your money starts compounding, there's no limit. I'm telling you, when money starts working for you, when your compounding sets in, when the money becomes big and it's coming, there's no limits to it. When money is working for you, there is no limits to it. Yes, your strength can fail. Yeah, I know one client. He's been bedridden for several years, but then it's his investment that is taking care of his family and kids as of now. They're still living a comfortable life. He can't work with the strength, but his money is working. His money is working. That is why whenever it comes to my money management techniques, I'm making sure there's a compound effect in it. Yes, and it works. Practical example, it works. I wish I can. Is there a way I can also show some of my clients' withdrawals and stuff? Yes. Yes. Can we move on? Yes. Can you go back a bit? The illusion of control. Most Thursdays we have on TikTok, Bitcoin Capital, we do live. We talk about only psychology. It's something that I started a few months back, and it has been helping people every Thursday live, talking about psychology, nothing else. Because the state of mind is important. We need to work. When you get the right mindset to trade, I'm looking for people that have the right mindset to be trading every time. Like, because I know they will be the ones to produce money. The most disciplined guy here with the best strategy will make money. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. The illusion of control is one thing we spoke about. I just wanted to, the illusion of control and how it affects our trading decisions. The illusion of control is a cognitive bias where traders believe they have more influence over the market than they actually do. Anybody has anyone felt that before? I've felt that before. I felt my strategy must work. I don't understand why I'm losing. I can't lose. Probably because I had made some 1, 2, 3 wins, I feel I'm invincible. Some traders are like that. Most of us have that kind of problem. We feel we are invincible when it comes to trading. So keep meeting me on Thursday live. We'll be talking more about this. Okay. Yes. It leads to what? Over trading, revenge trading, ignoring your risk management, because you think you are the best, your strategy is the best. Trust me, even the big players lose. There is a constant factor in this game. You will lose. So risk war. And if you risk war, there is no amount to the freedom you can get. I don't do any major work. What I do is investment and trading. That's all I do. That's the freedom I've gotten from this. Ever since I met trading, I have felt so free moving around. I control my own time. I travel when I want. Today, if I say I want to go to Dubai and go and chill, I'm okay. I don't owe any boss a call. Please, boss, give me 2 weeks leave. No. It doesn't mean go and quit your job, because a lot of people come to my DMs, boss, I want to quit my job, and make sure you need a capital to trade. I've worked at the port before. I've done the my parents were not giving. May they also rest in peace. Sorry, but then my big sister is the one that was taking care of us. And you dare not go and why are you going to ask for money to go and trade? Yeah, we just carry trading. This is how they see it. Somebody is behind the machine taking your money. They don't know. Yes, but today they appreciate me so much. They appreciate me so much, and it's like that. I mean, you can't quit your job. You need that capital. I was working to be able to trade, so it started working well for me. Then now I don't have to. I make my own money out of this. You understand? Yeah. So you need it. When you are done, you can quit. You don't quit your job, and how will you find your account? Yes. So be working and be trading. Yes, there are a lot of ways you can trade and work. You can go on a 4 hour time frame to be working. You can be doing your work. Your trades are running. You don't have to watch your trades like TV. You know what you are doing. You have set your stop loss. You set your entries, your TP. You focus on your work. When you are done in the evening, you can go and you don't have to do it like that. Understand the principle. Treat it as a business that it is. Right? Let's move on. It's my 20 minutes up. Hey, Paul. I hear you. So, yeah, so a little bit of, I need to talk about this too. Techniques to stay calm under pressure and maintain clarity, right? Mindfulness breathing, I speak about mindfulness breathing on the live too. It is good to stay calm every time. If you are doing mindfulness breathing in and out, it doesn't mean you are a Buddhist or something that they are the ones that do it. Someone gave me an example of crossing their leg and doing something like that. I mean, yes, but then it gives you clarity. It keeps you calm. Sometimes after work, this whole trot thing, being in a car going home, you're tired. Sometimes just take some 15 minutes break for yourself. It's something quiet. Keep quiet. Blank your mind, breathe in, just focus on your breath, in, out, like that. You might think it's not doing anything, but trust me, it will make you calm in the most aggressive situation. Sometimes, let's say you and some guy, normally when you meet, you are fighting. When you start doing mindfulness, you will see the guy and you stay calm, you will be shocked at yourself, because when we say who here, understand? Affirmations, remind yourselves. You can also do it. There are a lot of people think now trading when understand the principle. Trading never lies. It will pay you. Believe in yourself that you can do it. If you don't believe in yourself in anything that you do, you would fail. You will fail. Believe in yourself. Act. You don't have to be rich to act like you are rich. No. Live till you become it. Understand? And believe you can do it. Those that are making it are no different. I've traded a $10 account before. I've traded a $1 account before. I've moved up the ladder. And if I can do it, I said I was an average student. There's people that have been giving me knowledge. So if I can do it, you all can do it too. Let's move on. The rest I can give it to you on the page. All right, so I spoke about risk management, mastering your edge. Your edge is not just a strategy, it is how you think and adapt. My edge so far I've been trading is the lock strategy. If you know Bizbank Capital, you've heard the lock strategy, and that's all I place I think I had the example of the lock strategy. There is one strategy that I'm teaching on the 1st of April to the 8th of April. It's called the reversal lock strategy. It's one thing that is that same strategy that's been making the copy traders win. Can you go back for me? Yes. Can I get those pictures? I just want you to, these are two different markets, right? I just want you to see that market repeats itself. All I need to do is be patient and wait for that technique to pop out. This is an example of a reversal continuation. It's actually on a price action, right? We'll go deep into it. Can I quickly get a marker? Yes. Oh, we're done. All right. So this is the red candle selling, indicating selling, green candles indicating buying. As the diagram shows there, exactly how I've drawn it. Can you move to the next picture? It is FX volume 60, right? And the next one, yeah, go up. Oh, that's not, go up. Yeah, I think it's the same market. Yeah, this technique, I can recognize it in the market 10 times a day if I wanted to. It has something to do with it. It has other elements you'd have to add, all right. But then this reversal continuation, I can see it anytime. So if you are someone that does, you build your trend structures, all I have to do is now, after you build your trend for me, all I have to do is to wait for my candles to pop up, and I just place my entry, I set my limit order entry, my stop loss here every time, stretch my 5 hour if I am selling. Easy like that. Edge, when it comes to edge, it's no big deal. When you know what you are doing, you just have to be patient enough to wait for it to come and play for you. The rest is what? Money management. Can we move on? There is, I'm done, but there's one important thing I would ask us to do. Lot size calculation. Lot size calculation is very important for money management. If you do not know how much you are putting in a trade, how are you trading? I have $100. I want to place a $20 trade. How do I get that $20 out of that 100? Should my stop loss hit? Is there anybody who is specific on that? It used to be a common, most newbies, they think that they just have to place a trade. Before they know it, they've lost more than they were thinking. You need to be able to know your lot size calculation. Bear with me, I'd like to do one example. Yes, then I just ask someone to also, I'll ask the question, ask somebody to do. When you get it right, I'll dash you something. All right. Can I get a chat? Can I get a live chat? It's something that just popped into. It's not part of the presentation if you watch. It just came. It's a problem that is going around. People do not know how much they are putting in a trade. Let's just do one example. FX, who is on? Let's just pick. FX volume 40. FX volume. Any which one is this? I'm okay with. Can you make
It's 40.
It's 40. Can you make the chart clear? Lot size calculation. There's a simple mathematical trick for lot size calculations. It's simply your price minus your entry price minus your stop loss. Before you place a trade, you look before you leap. You should know where you are stopping. You should know where you are starting. Yes. So just your entry minus your stop loss over the amount you want to risk. You will get the exact lot size, and when you put it there, when you are trading synthetics and you put it there, it will not, when you hit your stop loss, your money will not go more than it's supposed to go. You should know, it's very important that you know. Let me just use my phone because of time. FX volume 40, if you are watching the chart, currently prices are around Can somebody help me with where price is now?
192.
192190.00. All right, so we are assuming, don't worry, we are assuming that we are selling, right? We are assuming we are selling, and I want to set a limit order. Put my stop loss at okay. I'm putting my stop loss at 193597.96, and then my price at 193020.81. I have $100. I want to risk, let's say 10. All I have to do is what? Take the stop loss from the price, right? So let's do that. Help me do the math. It's getting hot. Can I get a tissue? What will be the answer? Let me also do it so that nobody will lie to me.
That will be 577.1.
577. Who said it? Hey, we are man. He said it on.
577.12.
How much should I pay you for your answer? Let me make it just a bit. I beg you. Chairman.
Please give it up,
All right, more to come on this. It's very important. You need to know your loss size calculation. So now, all I need to do is what? Put my $10 over 0.15. Okay, thank you. All right, so 10 divided by 577 point. 0.03 and I mean 0.017.
0.017.
Am I right?
I was the one that said it. Oh.
So who said it?
I said it.
Yeah. Everybody is pointing.
Oh, you point to me. It's more. Give it up.
More questions.
Okay.
Yes. So now this becomes the lot size. And when you put this 0.01 on FX volume 40, your price and entry, you will not risk more than $10. It won't go more than $10. But then try putting 0.1. All your $10 will vanish. All your $100 will go. Right? So now I'm going to ask a complete question, final question. On the same FX volume, let's pick a price and then let me just write it for you, then we are done. So get ready, come and solve it for me. I want the lot size. I have $200. I'm feeling greedy today. Let me risk $50. I believe in this trade so much. That's $50 will take me to 500. My price is My price is stop loss 193,946.75. Price 193,506.62. Yes. So I want to reach $50. What will be the lot size? I'm also doing the math. Fastest fingers. You come and solve it here.
I want to solve it. 0.5.
No, they must get the answer and then come and solve it here for everyone to see. That's the lot size. So who is I'm hearing who is raising his hand. So please come and work it out for us. Yeah,
Please give it up for him. Give it up for him.
You can speak. Oh, yeah. Okay. So,
So the final answer. 0.114.
Yes, or 0.1136. Yes.
So
Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct? Okay, so he deserves a prize.
please
Chairman.
come. Give it up for him. Give it up for him.
This one there,
Give it up for him.
you do all the working, so let me double it for you.
So let us see. See,
Alright,
you
so-
got a decimal point. You get a point.
Yeah, he even ran it by completely working on. Yeah, please clap for him again.
Please come for him.
So yes, this is the lot size you need to put to make sure you don't risk more than $50 off your 200, and it's good and key for money management. You cannot just jump in a trade without knowing how much you are risking. You are equally gambling. Yes, the moment you calculate your lot size, you know how before you leave you have differentiated yourself from a regular gambler in trading. You understand? Yes. So my final remarks again, you can do it. I mean, I have done it, and like I said, most of you are brilliant guys and ladies here. You can also do it. You just need to stay calm in the game. Losses are inevitable. They are like death. One day we will all die. That means today we need to live our lives to the fullest and fight for opportunities. Know that yes, Charlie, one day it will also be good for me. Understand? Forget the losses. It's something you cannot do without. And all of us here will face losses in trading. If you are here coming to trading, you think you will not lose, then this is not the game for you. We will all lose. It's inevitable. Now, find out ways to make your losses, find out ways to account for your losses, make your wins. Trading pays better than any amount you will lose. I mean, the discipline Christ will give you. Trading has taught me so much how to even live my normal regular life, keeping me calm in a lot of things, all because of trading. You understand, guys? So thank you very much.
Please.
Weltrade.
Let's do it better.
Thank you, Weltrade, too.
Please, because of time, I only have two questions.
Yeah, questions. Okay.
Two questions. So who will be the first person? Okay. Your name and the place you are calling from.
Okay. I'm Kelvin. Yeah, my question.
Hello, Kelvin.
Yes. Kelvin Lottie. My question is, with the formula I just gave us, how do you factor in leverage Because we know leverage also affects the capital we use. So how do you factor in leverage in the calculation?
I think you mean spread. I think you mean spread instead of leverage. Leverage is what makes sure if you are trading a $10 account, makes it look like you're trading a $100 account. That's leverage. But the spread in trade, when you're trading FX, before you even start a trade, you've already taken that amount from it. Yes. So I think you mean, that's our website, bitbankcapital.com. It's still under construction. Yes. But then when you type bitbankcapital.com, you will find something. This strategy specifically for synthetic, I think I was biased on that. I'm a pure synthetic trader. Most of the I'm a binary trader, let me say from birth. So binary trading, we move to the MT500. So if you see most of my tradings are volatilities, syntax, and then options, yes, and I trade gold too. So on this calculation, and for spread, there is a way to account for spread. I don't. If my technical guy will help me with that. Hold on. Euro, JPY, and they account for those kind of things, but it's very minimal. You might not even know. But then this is purely for synthetic calculations, and you get it right on the dot. You understand? Yes.
And I think with Weltrade, your spread is not that big.
Yeah. Yes.
It goes to your money like Ghana. Yeah. Those were the way I hate them.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Nyansa. I want to know, do you have a platform? My name is Nyansa. I want to know, do you have a platform that you teach this is after here?
Sure. So I have a free knowledge group. I did this knowledge group way back, and it has helped beginners. I have a complete teaching about basic trading, how to get you started from being able to even place a trade. It's called a knowledge group, Bitbank Capital Knowledge Group. It's on Telegram. It's free to join. I have had
Check it out.
I've had a lot of reviews. One lady came into my DMs. It's like I was a newbie. I came into your knowledge group, and I didn't even have to DM you, but I know how to trade now. I can place a trade now. Yes. After you are done with the knowledge group, everything else is technicalities. What will be now learning is a few tricks that I always tell newbies. I need you to get to a place where you can place buy and sell. The rest is technicalities. Whatever I teach you, learn. Whatever you also teach me, we learn. Then we add our money management to it, and then that is it. So the knowledge group, we have a knowledge group. We have a main Telegram channel too. We have a WhatsApp channel. It's very, very. I love my WhatsApp channel so much. I give room for every trader to do whatever they are doing related to trading. Of course, you get to learn from other traders how others are doing. Sometimes what your friend would rather tell you, I understand it even more than what the mentor is saying. So I kind of create that kind of environment. And I can even say out of our group, there have been many other groups that have come out. It's good to surround yourself with people who are doing the same thing you are doing too. Yeah.
Please give it up for Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Please, you can do it better. After the law of Bitcoin communities, it's free. It's one person you get.
After you right now, will somebody talk?
And I think when people get free, they take it for granted. You know, I'm an
try be at selfie be camera guy to me and you so like
at least
you face it, they will be at your back this time.
at least $100.
Something about
Please, so
Weltrade.
it's time for giveaways. Please say giveaways. Giveaways. Please, I just learned Weltrade as a slogan, and we cannot do without that slogan for the giveaway. The more the slogan comes up, the more we get people. When I see you down, at least I know you're a trader, and you can sort me out. Yeah, you can sort me out. If you don't sort me out, I report you to the police, and we know how to go for them. So please, without much ado, I'd like to invite Milton from Cameroon with Weltrade. Please, hold on for Milton.
How are you, Ghana? How are you in Accra? I'm very fine to see you here. I'm Anthony, I'm from Cameroon. I'm responsible of Weltrade for the French region in Africa. So we had 3 big conferences in Mali, Cote d'Ivoire, and Benin. And now we are in Ghana to meet you. I'm very happy to see that here in Ghana there are so many traders. And I'm happy to give away one big laptop to one of you. So, who will be the lucky winner of this laptop?
Some people are not believing that they can win.
Actually, everyone here can win this laptop. It's just a matter of engagement. One step you have done is to be here. It's very important to step that you have done. And I think the next step will be for you to actually fund your Weltrade accounts and actually start trading and make profits. Because at Weltrade, we are the best. We are faster, we are better, and we are stronger. So, how will it be done?
So let's do it this way. By a show of hands, who has a Weltrade account that is funded either now or that was funded before, even if it's blown, I understand. You.
Show us.
Okay. We have a couple of people. Well, we can verify. It's fine. Alright? So this is what I want you guys to do for us, right? Everyone got this. The bag, basically, right? On this bag, just take out a piece of paper, right? Write your Weltrade ID. If you don't know it by heart, of which I assume most people don't, just write your email address, okay? And then give us this phone number. Just the email address. We'll get your details when you get the pass. Email address, and then we'll put it in here. We'll do a lucky shuffle draw for the 2 accounts. The first one is $200. The second one is $500. Those are the 2 accounts that we have left that we're going to give away. Everyone who has a funded account, even if it's blown, if it's not funded, and we'll see it before we place it, and we will not, you will technically not go in. So anyone who has an account that's funded or that was funded before, even if it's blown, everyone understands that, right?
So, yes, there's something I want to say.
It's possible you deposit now, even if it's just $5, $10. It's so simple. Just go to registration on Weltrade and put your email address and then you register. You can do that. And then you might be the lucky winner. Do you understand for those 2 accounts?
Please, I'm coming around for the papers, fold it nicely. Hey, the way you fold it, you want yours to be put there.
That is supposed to have a gift today.
We are going to check this. We're going to check it very well. Remember, this is for. Okay, if you have not added, please come and add your own if you have not added. So please, we are giving out 2 accounts. Meaning, please come. We are giving out 2 accounts. Before we pick, I want to say something about those accounts. These accounts are tradable accounts. That is, you can use the money to trade on synthetic indices, not on financials. Financials is foreign and all of those ones, but on synthetic indices, meaning that you have to create a synthetic account and move the money from your safe into your synthetic account. You understand? And then when you do this, you have to activate your Welcoin. These are the conditions. You have to activate your Welcoin. Activating your Welcoin is simple. Just go to your member member area, you will see the place you have welcome, click on it, activate. The reason why you activate it is the condition for withdrawing the money and the profit into your bank account in cedis is because you need to generate at least 5,000 welcome. You will understand, once you have generated up to 5,000 welcome on that account, you can withdraw your profits, you can withdraw the amount that was credited. Do you understand? So it's tradable funds. So we need to understand this. So she's gonna pick now. Please, if you still want to put here, before we go gone. Please dip your hand, shake very well, shake as much as possible, and then bring out the first blocking round. Please, before you bring it, okay, go. Really, how much are we giving to this?
Because it's the first, let's give this one 500.
Wow, $500 a month. Wow. So this individual will have his account credited with $500 which the person can use to trade. Please, can you open this person? No. Bring this out. If you hear this email, please come to the front and then we are going to verify. Where's my laptop?
Moses.
So the name is Moses Chukbe. Please give it up. Why are you walking like wow? Please, he's not happy. Please, let me be very happy. And why are you walking slow? Congratulations. So log in into your account right away and let's see it from the dashboard. Hey, Moses, $500. A round of applause for him. Please, a round of applause for him. It's good. Fantastic. What's your name?
Moses.
Oh, you were the one across the Red Sea. Yeah. You have come with the Red Sea bar. Oh, please, a round of applause for him. A round of applause for him. It's our first winner for today. With $500, I can carry you through.
I'm surprised because all these people and my name just popped up.
Wow. When you were coming this morning, do you have any feeling in your room?
I was just excited for the very best, and this is my goal.
Wow, this is a moment that you've been waiting for and everyone has been waiting for. So what do you tell Weltrade?
Keep doing what you're doing because I believe this is going to impact a lot of people.
What do you tell them watching you from there?
What is I just got to know about
Please give it up. Congratulations once more. Please, maybe can you give him some cheers, handshake, and then noting. Can you also greet this man? He's our first lucky, we have some lucky winners today, but in this stage, he's our winner for the $500 account, the first ever in Accra, Ghana. Please, a round of applause for him again. Okay. And then we're going to have the next one. Please, thank you. Gifts, you can go have a seat. Thank you very much. But this time around, we're going to have a male to come and pick this. Okay. So MC, MC sometimes we need to listen to MC so that we can be able to see. They said what an elderly man sees when he's sitting down. The small boy when they count the tree, he cannot see. But this doesn't mean that you're older than me. When you have some elders, yes, in Nigeria, you need to give honor to whom honor is due. And he's one of the most eldest people here, so we are giving honor for that. This is a round of applause for him. What's your name, sir? Mr. William, it's good having you here. I hope you enjoyed yourself today. I wish you can be one of the winners. I don't want to ask of his age, but I can only tell you he's old. Absolutely. And at this age, if he's thinking of training with God, I don't know what you are doing. Of course. What you are doing, you are missing out big time. Yeah. So please. So we're going to have the second winner now. Yes. Maybe what's the size of the account? for this?
This is 200.
Okay, for this second one, we're having $200 deposited in the synthetic account.
Okay.
The person can trade.
Okay.
So he's going to call out the name, and then the person should walk out, and then we'll go on from there. Mr. Williams, please give us the winner.
Oak series at Yahoo.com.
Please give it up. Oak series, which Oak series? The man, I the one. Oh, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. A lot of applause. This one, you can jump here, dance, give us all the vibes. Yes. Wow, this is good. Man, you're more or less like the tallest man here.
Oh, really?
Oh, probably your height made you to see what some people cannot see. How do you feel being one of the winners today?
Oh, I'm very happy.
I'm excited. When you were coming this morning, do you have any feeling that you can always home?
Oh, no, maybe, but I mean, you should be expectant to that.
Of course, I like when people are hopeful, and then you have to be consistent like we have learned today. So, what do you tell Weltrade?
Oh, so a big thanks to Weltrade for always, being there for us with a lot of promotions and the world went. I mean, very exciting.
Oh, that is what is enticing you there. Because when you trade, Weltrade say thank you, we are rewarding your loyalty with us, and said we are giving you back. Good. Are you going to tell people out there, the young people out there, what you do to them?
Weltrade is the best, so you should keep using Weltrade. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We've heard from that. A round of applause for him. Please, what's your name? Okay, Alexander, please can you log into your accounts for us to confirm this? Log into your account. We want to confirm if you have made deposit before. You've been trading with Weltrade. Have you get to?
Yes, sometimes.
Oh, okay. How did you find it with us?
It's very, seamlessly easy.
Yeah. And you get the money in relation. Fantastic. A round of applause for Weltrade. You have some money in the account already? Oh, so Lindy come and confirm. The guy has some funds in the accounts already. He has funds in the account, confirming that he's funded. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you show this to people so that he's scared? So please, let's give it up for Nani. Thank you very much. A round of applause for him. A round of applause for him.
Yes.
Yeah, we're excited. So, Lindy, can you carry handshake? Congratulations, get on the message. Because I don't know you have built that Alexander.
Nice one.
So, we've gotten our winners for the account. We are done with this, and then we're going to the. We are done with the account. Lindy, we are done with the account. Okay, so the next thing you are doing is the grand giveaway, the grand prize. Please, are you excited? Yeah! Weltrade! How that too cold for days and then let's go home with the laptop. Let's go. But I won't give it to you. Weltrade!
So, okay, please. This is the final moment. When we get the winner and you shake hands with the winner, we all get out and then we do our last thing, our last Weltrade shout.
Yeah, exactly. With all the vibes. I expect you not to jump up and give me say and shout, You know the sort of vibes that the wall of this video will shake the You understand? So, we're coming to the grand finale of the event today. This is the time we are all looking out for. We believe that every one of us have learned a lot today, and we are very grateful for you coming. We're not going to end here. Success does not end at the point where you start. You have to be consistent. Consistent learning does not end. We continue to learn and build up from there. We'll see at the top. Thank you. Sure.
So, and then please be mindful of, with the refreshments, there's more to go with. Whenever this conference should tell you that Weltrade has, we will give you a double portion of whatever you spend. You know what I'm going? Oh, you are not happy for it.
So I don't know. I'm giving this mic to the country manager for Ghana. He's going to say some words and then he will explain how we determine the winner.
Thank you. Okay. One last one, guys, right? So we have the grand prize, which is the laptop. Now, again, I'm going back to the Weltrade clients that have made it deposit with this. We are going to give the laptop away to someone who has the highest deposits, even if you have loaned or withdrawn, but the highest deposits in your account in history of Weltrade. Who thinks they have a high deposit? Just raise your hand. If you think you've deposited a lot of money can be like $100, $200, $300. But if you think it's a lot that you've made a deposit, please raise your hand. Okay, I see 2 people. Is there how much is your deposit? Your highest? Only in combined. How much? Hundreds. Okay. Do we have someone who has what? 130. Anyone higher? 200. 200, okay. Anyone higher? 200. We have 200. 800. 800. Anyone higher than 800? You have to come in. 800. This is serious. Just want to forget what's
So really, if the 800 is the highest, we will check. If the highest here, then it becomes a winner. We have more than 800.
Okay, so please, I was trying to change the rules back. 800. You have anyone applies? Do we have anyone? $800 is something, you know. I think I have deposited $10. So, sure. Do we have anyone higher than 800? Yeah. No. Do we have anyone higher than 800? Okay, cool. Give it up for the. Give it up for the. Please, at this point, you have a lot winner. I think sorry, I heard him saying wow, 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 wow. So it's now you can say wow, wow, wow. I thought you guys said wow. Would you give us a dance? Oh, DJ. Oh. Faster, better, and stronger. Please go. Weltrade. You see, I asked you earlier, you actually knew you were going to win something when you were this morning. But you said, no, well, let's go forward on this. Wow. Do you know, maybe, sorry, DJ, please hold the music. Please, silent, please. There's something I want to say. We've been going to several countries having such events. We have gone to almost 7 or 8 countries where we have done this event. We've done Zimbabwe, Botswana, in Benin, Cameroon, Mali, Nigeria, the big country, Cote d'Ivoire, and we are doing giveaways. Are we giving a laptop outside this country? No, except in Nigeria. Pardon? Tablets. Okay, give us a tablet. Except in Nigeria, we give out this kind of laptop. Nigeria, Nigeria is big. And then we are having Ghana solo. The Ghanaians do like a lot. We are having a laptop winner here. A round of applause for Weltrade. can do better. You can do better. So, Weltrade is the broker to trade with. Good trading conditions, fair trading conditions, give you all the support, withdraw within 30 minutes if you don't have issues with verification, because you need to verify your documents, your phone, before you can make withdrawals. But once you don't have issues with that, you can even get your withdrawal sometimes in 2 minutes. I have had some clients in Nigeria call me and say, this is too good. I traded the profit and in 2 minutes I got my profit. This is too good. I'm serious here. They sent me message. A lot of clients send me and call me in Nigeria. I will not trade with any broker again. Weltrade is my broker because of the superb services we give. And then not only that, we're educating people, we're impacting, we are supporting. Weltrade, faster, so better and stronger. So there's something you are going to do for us. You are going to, when Milton gives you the laptop, so that everyone will confirm that this is actually a laptop. You open it and bring it out just like this, and then show to the audience, and then we can give you as our grand finale winner today. Okay, Milton, a word for him.
Okay. Congratulations, man. I'm happy for you. And I hope that this laptop will help you to make millions of dollars with Weltrade. Can you clap for him, please? Come on.
Okay, yeah. Please, have handshake. Lynn, come on. Have a handshake with him. Yeah, yes. Open it. So that's priceless. You can't compare it with anything here. When you get knowledge, you get power. I prefer having knowledge than having material things. There's something I used to tell, wow. Can we clap for the winner? Can we clap for winner? Let's clap for the winner. Wow. Please, what do you tell the people out there watching you take this from Weltrade?
So, little thing I want to say is, first of all, I thank Weltrade very much for such a beautiful gift. And you guys should keep using Weltrade. You don't know what you're going to be. You might win something better than this. So, yeah. Shout out to Weltrade.
Thank you. Milton said something. He said this is something you can use to make more money. So this is a tool. It's an empowerment. So Weltrade has just empower you the more. And so what you need to do is to see how to use this tool to prove point to the people, to young people there, that you can also be part of this. Do you understand? So we're going to do this. We're going to shout Weltrade with all the vibes and say faster, better, and stronger. Please, everyone, can we stand up? Can we stand up? Put all the vibes because we still have something to take. Don't worry. So he's going to shout Weltrade 3 times and then we'll respond with faster, better, and stronger. Anyhow you want to go about it is all allowed. If you want to jump, good. If you want to roll, if you want to dance, or if you want to hear, let's hear it above the roof of the building. 3 times. Thank you.
Weltrade.
Faster, better, and stronger! Faster, better, and stronger!
Thank you. We are having a closing prayer.
You are praying.
Lord and Master, we thank you this afternoon for your love, your compassion, and your providence. We came here to do an important assignment and you sought us through and it's a success. We say thank you. We are about closing. We commit ourselves into your hands. Those who will be going far and near, we commit all of them to your hands that you take us safely into wherever we are going. That is our prayer. You will strengthen us to commit ourselves to the trading, and in the end we will say thank you. In the name of Jesus we pray with thanksgiving. Amen.
Hello, lovely guys. I go by the name Kofi Glory, and I'm here to introduce to you BitBen Capital. He is a profitable person. I've been learning from him. I've gained a lot. So I want you all to check him out on his platform at BitBen Capital and learn a lot from him. And me myself, I am a national service person and a student also. Thank you very much.
My name is Samuel Kofi Asante. I'm a member of the BitBen community. I'd like to say thank you to Weltrade and the organizers of the whole program. It's been a long journey. Trading it's a journey of continuous learning, and I thank BitBen especially for the knowledge and the experiences, the support that has shaped me. I'd like to say thank you, BitBen. BitBen to the world.
What's up, guys? I'm Blabo James, and then the BitBen experience, Charlie. BitBen Capital is the best. If you want to learn how to trade and grow and be an experienced trader, you need to be here. You need to be in the BitBen Capital group. Thank you. Peace.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Mabel, and I came for today's event. BitBen Capital organized it. So if you are a trader or you are new to trading and you want to learn more skills, you want to know more about trading, just hit into our DM, BitBen Capital, and we are always here to answer all your questions. Yes, today's event was very insightful, and we are always available for you for all your questions. Thank you. It's okay.
Yo, I go again like a chairman, Kenya Newman, when I can do more BNA, it can mean share me get more BNA. But minimum when I afraid trading, I can't tell really trading. Yes, the can do more BNA, do more BNA can have BitBen. Yeah, let you know by your coin for the cable trading. Let enough no fine. Cockle trade here, over profit, over not me share me. I go danger. So me Kenya can never fit away. BitBen, Kona production allo trading yano. Koningen namishe, the trading. Cable trading be legit BitBen.
Hello, I'm Nathaniel, VP of Forex trading. Il BitBen module some 3 months ago. A teacher about trading and then investment. This was going to plan on a track a money a life will never be the same.
Yeah, so my name is Philip Kwame Nyavi. I trade with BitBen Capital. BitBen is one of the best trading platforms. It offers you P2P trading, Bitcoin, USDT. And he teaches a lot. He's one person that can teach you psychology, and he will teach you all the basics of Forex at no cost, very free. Everything is free. So join BitBen now, learn how to trade, and you make money for yourself. Thank you very much.
Me the gift to me fiko for it and pie. Madam for being invited me say omo ye program in Temebra. So right now I say me a new. So I think I'm about the trading and all that. Until I buy. Now and I enjoy very, very, very much. Like, and me person like me see more, so that me getting into the trading industry.